Hey, what's going on, guys? Steven here. So, I know this isn't really the type of videos I do. I know I've been off of YouTube for a while, but I got these JAYO. This is the PLA META that JAYO just released. So, I kind of just want to do a little unboxing, and I'm going to print, show some print qualities between these regular PLA and the PLA Plus, all JAYO filaments. But these little packs, I got them. They're like 35 bucks, and they include 4 rolls. They're 0.65 kilograms. So here it is, one of the rolls. Let me grab a regular size roll. All right, so here's a regular size roll, side by side. So not a huge difference. But you know, you can tell the difference. But for the price of these, not bad. So we have black here, might be a little bit hard to tell. Then we have a yellow, and I really do like these colors. Hopefully you guys can see that there. There's a yellow. We have a gray. This is a gray. So hopefully you guys can see that there. We have a pink. There's the pink. Actually really nice colors. And then in the second box, we have, and they do have, I believe it's 8 different colors. The only color I didn't get was white. I have another black here, another black. And then here I have a red. And here we have a like a greenish. Let's see what this color is. Yeah, green. And then we have here, whoops, we have a blue. So there it is there. Pretty nice colors, especially for the price. Not bad. Like I said, each box was like 35 or 36 bucks. I'll drop a link down in the description. But yeah, I get 8 rolls. Comes in this nice little box here, and not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little quick like print comparison. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll print a couple of these colors to kind of show them, and then I'll kind of show the strength and just how they look. But yeah, just kind of want to do a little unboxing. I know I've been absent from YouTube for a while. My wife and I had a baby, and so you know it's kind of hard for me to film. That's why I'm just filming right here in one of my chairs. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on, and I'll print some. All right, guys, so I've got a couple printed out here. This is the PLA Meta, the pink. I printed this at 200. This is another color of the Meta. I printed this at 180. This is Amazon Basics filament, printed at 205. And then this is the JAYO, same brand of filament, but this is their PLA Plus. Before we get into that, I also have this little cube here that I printed out just so I could show a different color. And I absolutely love how this stuff prints out. I do also have one more part over here. These are all printed with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle as well. This was printed laying down on the print bed like that. You can see the support material on the back. But if I can get my camera to focus in here, look just how well the top of that printed. And then their like layer lines are like non-existent. I also am working on a couple of things from Wicked 3D. So this is printed in black. You know, I've been trying to test out all the colors, but hopefully the camera picks this up, but you cannot see any layer lines. And when it is painted and finished, it looks absolutely amazing. I do have a piece here that I'm working on. This is part of an Iron Man, but this is printed with the PLA Meta, and it just looks fantastic. One more thing, the supports also come off really nice. So this was printed like this on the base or on the printer, and I pulled it off, and I literally just pulled this guy, the legs off, and the print just came right off, and it looks amazing. Didn't take me a half an hour to pull supports off. So just kind of wanted to show that. And then I'm going to see kind of here if I can see how strong these are. So this is the Amazon PLA, regular PLA. That busted. That did take a little bit of force. Then this is the JAYO PLA Plus, printed at 210. And that one was a lot harder to print or to break. Then we have the Meta here at 180. That one was even harder. And then we have the Meta here at 200. Oh, jeez. And that one was about topped them all. So the Amazon basics here snapped pretty easy. This was pretty hard, and these were definitely very hard to snap. One thing, these were all printed exactly the same. They were printed with 3 walls, 3 top, 3 bottom layers with 25% cubic infill. They were all printed on the same printer. Exact same settings. All I did was just change out the filament and change the temperature. But I highly recommend this PLA Meta. So again, if I can get this to focus in, this is the top of the print. So it was laying down on the bed like that. Obviously you can see that's a little bit smoother. I got some paint on there because this is my paint station here. But yeah, this PLA Meta, I've now bought 7 rolls of it because I like it so much. I am going to be, from now on, when I need filament, I'm just going to buy this PLA Meta, and I really, really like the colors. They're fantastic. I got some stuff on here because I am in my paint room right now. But yeah, so that's kind of a quick little overview of the JAYO PLA Meta. Also, Sunlu sells it. They're both the same company, JAYO and Sunlu. And I apologize, I've been off of YouTube for a while, guys. But my wife and I had a baby, and my YouTube also got hacked, and a couple of other things. You know, life happens. But please hit that subscribe button. I'm hoping to at least try and upload right now a video every other week or so, and then get back to regular uploads. But yeah, I just wanted to show this PLA Meta. So if you guys can, hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. As you guys know, I do answer your guys' questions, anything you guys have. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time. Take care. Also, a little bonus for those of you who have stuck around to the end. I also just wanted to say that this PLA Meta, I would highly suggest this for beginners. For one, it sticks very, very well to the build plate. Has a huge wide temperature range. You can print between 180 and about 205 without getting rid of print quality. Print quality is amazing. Like I said, everything I've printed and shown here is in 0.4 layer height. And this Hulk here is on my 2 Tree Sapphire, printed out of the PLA Meta. And it has printed out fantastic. This is a 1/6 scale. This stands just over 2 feet tall. So I kind of just wanted to throw that in. And I will also have links down below for the filament. So again, guys, take care. See you next time.